I, Ms. Dhwani Fatehpuria, Company Secretary of the company, welcome you all to the 32nd Annual General Meeting of the shareholders of Sumedha Fiscal Services Limited. Before I hand over to the chairman to start the proceedings of this AGM, I would like to highlight certain points here. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities and Exchange Board of India, via their respective circulars, have allowed companies to hold the AGM through video conferencing or other audio-visual means during the calendar year 2021. This AGM is accordingly being held through video conference in compliance with the circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. Further, as per the said circulars, the requirement of sending the physical copies of annual report for the financial year 2021 to the shareholders has been dispensed with. Accordingly, the annual reports for the financial year 2021, along with the notice of 32nd AGM, have been sent by electronic means only to all the shareholders whose email IDs were registered with the company's registrar and share transfer agent or depositories. All the shareholders who have joined this meeting are by default being placed by the host on mute for conducting this meeting smoothly and seamlessly. Now, I would request Mr. Anil Gaggar, Chairman of the company, to chair the meeting and start the proceedings of this AGM.
Thank you, Dhwani. I welcome you all to the 32nd AGM of our company, Sumedha Fiscal Services Limited. Before the proceedings begin, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Anil Gaggar, presently from my residence in Calcutta, and I will now request my colleagues on the board to introduce themselves. Dhwani, will you call the names of each of the members to introduce themselves?
I'm Vijay Maheshwari from my Calcutta office.
Dr. Basudev Sen. Is Dr. Sen there?
Dr. Sen is presently in US, so he is not participating.
He's not joining.
He is not joining.
Mr. Ramesh Ranjan.
Good morning. I am Ramesh Rangan, Independent Director on the board of the company.
Mr. Santanu Mukherjee.
Sir, unmute yourselves.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Shantanu Mukherjee, Independent Director of Sumedha Fiscal. I've joined this meeting from my residence at Hyderabad. Thank you, everybody.
Mr. Prashant Panda.
Sir, unmute कर लें. Sir, unmute.
Can't hear you, Mr. Panda.
Unmute कर लें.
I am Prashant Panda, Independent Director of Sumedha Fiscal, and I am joining this meeting from my Bhubaneswar office. Thank you.
Mr. Anil Kumar Birla.
Good morning, all. This is Anil Birla, Director, Sumedha Fiscal, and I am joining this meeting from my residence here in Bangalore.
Mr. Bhavani Shankar Rathi.
He could not join. He is traveling, and there is a link failure, so he is not able to join.
Garima Maheshwari. Garima
is still to join. She is likely to join.
Okay. Right. Yeah, we are KMP. That's our company secretary, Dhwani Fatehpuria.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dhwani Fatehpuria, the Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of Sumedha Fiscal Services Limited.
Mr. G.L. Dadij, Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Is Mr. Dadij there?
Yeah, he's there.
Hello. हाँ,
Yeah.
I am GL Dadi, CFO of Sumedha Fiscal Services Limited, joining the AGM of this company, and I am sitting at head office, Calcutta.
Thank you. In addition to the board of directors, as we have in attendance, Mr. Sunil Singhi, authorized representative of our statutory auditors. Mr. Atul Kumar Lab, Mr. Ashit Kumar Lab.
They are all there.
A participation of the participation of the shareholders is being done through video conference in compliance with the provisions of MCA and Section 103 of the Companies Act. As the requisite quorum is present, and I now call the meeting in order. I request our company secretary, Dhani, to provide general instructions to the shareholders regarding participation in the AGM. Dhani, will you please?
Thank you, sir. Facility for joining this AGM through video conference or other audio-visual means is made available for the shareholders on a first-come, first-served basis. The Register of Directors and key managerial personnel, the Register of Contracts or Arrangements have been made available electronically for inspection by the shareholders during the AGM. Some of the shareholders have registered themselves as speaker shareholders for the AGM. Accordingly, the floor will be open for those shareholders to ask questions or express their views once announced by the Honorable Chairman. The moderator will facilitate the session once the chairman opens the floor for Q&A. On announcement by the moderator, that is Mr. Asis Mukhopadhyay, the particular shareholder will be unmuted. Before speaking, shareholders are requested to click the Start Video button. It may be noted that the company reserves the right to limit the number of members asking questions and depending on the availability of time at the AGM. We would further request the shareholders to limit their questions and views to 3 minutes. Shareholders can also post their views or questions on the question answer tab on their video conference screens during the AGM. In case members face any difficulty, they may reach out on the helpline numbers provided in the notice. Now I would request our chairman to continue with the proceedings of the AGM.
Thank you, Dhani. The company has taken all possible efforts under the current circumstances to enable the shareholders to participate in the AGM through video conferencing, and is providing electronic voting facility during the AGM. I thank all the shareholders, colleagues on the board, auditors, and the management team for joining this meeting over video conference. Thank you. Welcome to the 32nd annual general meeting of your company. The company has been passing through a bad situation, had passed pandemic conditions, and the lives of many of us have changed during the pandemic. It has disrupted our collective sense of the normal. It continues to overrun many of the assumptions we have been living with, and has highlighted a greater need for pragmatism and resilience while dealing with a pandemic of this scale. We have started the current financial year with a strong sense of hope and optimism. This is not just because of the success in specific development of the vaccine. It is also to celebrate for having endured, survived, and overcome the challenge of grave pandemic. On the business front, your company weathered the pandemic well. It adopted quickly and embraced a new opening model that prioritizes the health and the well-being of the employees while continuing with its business operations as well. Your company has been guided by a set of strong beliefs right from the time it was founded, being in our core business, being in our core values, believe in customer centricity, believe in empowering people, believe in doing ethical business. Your company remain true to its basic statement, adding values to wealth. Investment banking continues to be the focus area of our company as one-stop solution for major value-added services. The services covered include merchant banking, loan syndication, financial restructuring, resolution of stressed assets, merger amalgamation, and placement of securities. Income through thereon was 622 lakhs as against 1185 lakhs during the previous year, registering a decline of about 44% due to repercussions of ongoing pandemic. The income from capital market activities stood at rupees 826 lakhs as against 776 lakhs in the previous year, registering an increase of 206 lakhs due to the upsurge in the capital market and financial variable becoming even more volatile in these unusual times. During the year under review, the company's total income stood at 1993 lakhs as against 1801 lakhs in the previous year, while net profit for the year under review stood at 833 lakhs as against net loss of 384 lakhs in the previous year. The earnings per share for the financial year 2020 was as against 4 in the previous year. The company's principal source of liquidity are cash equivalents, and cash flow that is generated from operations. This company continues to focus on operating cash flows, has no outstanding borrowings, and it believes that the working capital is sufficient to meet its current requirements. We are entering financial year 2022 with growth momentum and with much better visibility for future growth that we did last year. Together, we will continue to innovate, remain alert, and consistent, and sustain our record of success. On behalf of the Board of Directors, I thank all of you for participating in this AGM and also for support, and wish you all the best, safety, and good health. On behalf of the Board of Directors, I thank you all for sustained trust, encouragement. The notice of the 32nd AGM, along with the annual report for the financial year 2020-21, has already been sent to shareholders electronically. With your kind permission, I shall take the same as read. There are no qualifications, observations, or adverse remarks in the statutory auditor's report on the financials of the company for the financial year 2020-21 and the secretarial auditor's report as well. Therefore, with your kind permission, I take the statutory auditor's report and secretarial auditor's report as read. I now place before all of you the resolutions as set forth in the notice of the 32nd annual general meeting. The first resolution is the adoption of the audited financial statements, standalone and consolidation of the company for the financial year ending 31st March 2021, along with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors. The second resolution is regarding the declaration of dividend of ₹1 per equity share of the face value of ₹10, each for the financial year 2000, March 31, 2021. The third resolution is regarding the appointment of Mrs. Garima Maheshwari, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers herself for reappointment. I will now request Dhwani, our company secretary, to brief the shareholders regarding the voting process. Dhwani, will you take up?
Thank you, sir. In compliance with the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI listing regulations, the company had provided to all the shareholders holding shares as on the cutoff date of 10 September 2021, either in physical form or in dematerialized form, the facility to exercise their right to vote on resolutions as set out for the item number 1 to item number 3 in the notice of the 32nd AGM through remote e-voting platform provided by the CDSL. The remote e-voting facility was available to shareholders from 14 September 2021, 9 a.m. to 16 September 2021, 5 p.m. Electronic voting facility at the AGM is being made available to enable members who have not cast their votes through remote e-voting to exercise their voting rights. The e-voting window shall be activated upon instructions by the chairman during the AGM proceedings. The members attending the meeting who have not cast their vote by remote e-voting can exercise their right at the annual general meeting through electronic voting facility. Shareholders are requested to follow the procedure of remote e-voting as explained in the notice of this AGM. Shareholders may please note that there will be no voting by show of hands. Further, since the meeting is being held through electronic mode, no proposing and seconding of resolutions will be there. The company has appointed Mr. Ashit Kumar Lal, practicing company secretary, to act as a scrutinizer for scrutinizing the remote e-voting and the e-voting process at the AGM in a fair and transparent manner. The results will be declared on or before September 18, 2021, based on scrutinizer's report after considering the e-voting done today by the members participating in this AGM and also the remote e-voting already done by the shareholders. The results would be published on the company's website and will also be uploaded on the websites of the stock exchanges BSE and CSE. May I now request our chairman to continue with the proceedings of the AGM.
Thank you, Dhwani. The e-voting window shall now be activated for allowing the shareholders to vote during the AGM. Shareholders are requested to follow the procedure of remote e-voting as explained to the notice of the AGM. Now I open the floor for questions and answers. We had a large number of participants, and I now request, since there are quite a large number of speakers, I will request each one of them to remain brief, to the point, and to avoid repetition. Thank you.
The first speaker is Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bhubna. Please unmute Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bhubna. I think Mahesh Kumar Bhubna is not attending the meeting.
So we can move to the next.
Move on, Mr. Moderator.
Next speaker is Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar.
Hello,
Is it
am I
there?
audible?
Yes,
Am I audible?
yes.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी और अन्यान्य पदाधिकारीवृंद और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी, कंपनी सेक्रेटरी को तो मैंने धन्यवाद देता हूं, इसलिए बहुत पहले उन्होंने नोटिस और एनुअल रिपोर्ट भेज दिया है और उनको धन्यवाद देते हुए कंपनी सेक्रेटरी पूरा डिपार्टमेंट को धन्यवाद देता हूं। सर, देखिए ये पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन, ये चैलेंजिंग ईयर है। इस चैलेंजिंग ईयर में हमारा कंपनी जो इनकम हुआ है पिछले साल से ज्यादा हुआ है, और देखिए प्रॉफिट पिछले साल में लॉस था, इस साल में प्रॉफिट में आ गया। ये एक्सीलेंट रिजल्ट है। मैं पूरा टीम को, मैं मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, चेयरमैन साहब, आपका पूरा टीम को मैंने धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सर देखिए डिविडेंड 10% दिया है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, ये हम लोगों को फायदा आ जाएगा। सर हम ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा। सर देखिए मैंने पर एक चीज जानना चाहता हूँ, जैसा कोविड अटैक किसी को हुआ है कि ना, हमारा कंपनी का एम्प्लॉय को, कोई किसी को, और हुआ है तो लोग सुस्त है कि नहीं है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी हम दे दीजिएगा। हाँ सर देखिए ये कंपनी जब एम्प्लॉय होता है वो पिलर होता है, इन लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन कंप्लीट हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ, इसके बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी दे दीजिएगा। मेरा दूसरा मीटिंग भी है। सर आप लोगों को सबका, आप सुस्त रहिएगा। गग्गर जी आप भी सुस्त रहिएगा, आपका लंबी उम्र दे, और कंपनी में जितना एम्प्लॉय है, कंपनी सेक्रेटरी फतेहपुरिया जी, आप सबको हम अब सुस्त रहिएगा, ये भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ, और सावधान रहिएगा जब तक हमारा देश से ये कोविड-19 हट ना जाए। सर मेरे को बोलने का मौका देने के लिए धन्यवाद देते हुए मेरा वक्तव्य कंक्लूड कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Mr. Sarkar. Mr. Gautam Nandi.
Please unmute Mr. Gautam Nandi.
Gautam Nandi है? Is there?
Yes, hello.
Nandi sir.
Sir. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, Mr. Nandi.
Yes. Good morning and namaskar. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, my online fellow shareholders. Myself, Gautam Nandi, very old equity shareholder of Sumedha Fisheries Limited. Sir, firstly, I'd like to give thanks to your secretarial department. Sir, visible नहीं हुआ sir?
बीच में आए थे, वापस निकल गए।
So I'm
बोलिए आप।
audible but not.
Nandi sir, continue. Nandi sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Firstly, I like to give thanks to your secretarial department for sending me annual report and other necessary relevant papers through email well in advance. So specially thanks to our new company secretary, Ms. Dhoni Bhattapuria, and her whole team for rendering very good services to our minority shareholders. Madam Bhattapuria, mera hearty namaskar to you. Most welcome to the company.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Sir, you are organizing your annual general meeting through video conference for the second time. And I find it is a grand success. So thanks again, sir. Sir, a few years back, we had faced GST and demonetization. Sir, ये दोनों का इफेक्ट अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ। इसका अंदर घुस गया कोविड-19, very बुरा हालत हो गया सर। Each and every company is suffering very much. But I am very glad to see that despite a tough pandemic and most challenging year, you are trying your best. Sir, am I properly audible?
Yeah.
Mr. Nandi, please continue.
I'm very much I'm glad to see that you are trying your best. Profit and other result is very, very good. इस हालत में अभी जो पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट, तो मैं आशा करता हूँ जब कोविड पीरियड चला जाएगा, नॉर्मल सिचुएशन होगा, उस टाइम हमारा फिजिकल हमारा सुमेधा फिजिकल बहुत अच्छा रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। और माने क्या बोलेंगे आप लोग को लिए? सर, वी आर वेरी प्राउड टू सी यू ऑलवेज टेक केयर ऑफ आवर माइनॉरिटी शेयरहोल्डर्स। सर, एक बात, एक कंपनी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा होने से बड़ा नहीं हो जाता है, उसका बिहेवियर अच्छा होने का जरूरी है। जो आपका कंपनी में 100% है सर। 2 साल तो हम जा नहीं पाया सर। 2 साल पहले जब भी कोई शेयर रिलेटेड मैटर में हम आपका कैलकाटा ऑफिस में जाते थे सर, विजय जी इतना अच्छा आदमी सर, ये डायरेक्टर आप क्या बोलेंगे, बहुत 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 वेल बिहेव्ड एंड वेरी सोबर सर। एंड आप लोग का जो डायरेक्टर लोग हैं, आप लोग इतना बड़ा आदमी होते हुए भी हम लोग को जो सम्मान देते हैं, हम लोग को माइनॉरिटी शेयर होल्डर हम लोग को साथ जैसे बात करते हैं, वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल टू यू सर। एंड आप लोग का जो एक आप लोग का जो एम्प्लॉइज लोग हैं, आशीष मुखर्जी एंड दूसरा जो आदमी लोग हैं, एम्प्लॉय लोग हैं, वो लोग का इतना अच्छा व्यवहार है, क्या बोलेंगे सर। एक बात मैं कहना चाहते हैं, इस कोविड पीरियड कुछ दिन पहले आशीष दा मुझे फोन किए थे, फोन करके बोला যে গৌতম বাবু আপনার শরীর ভালো আছে তো, আপনার পরিবারের সবাই ভালো আছে তো, আমরা আপনার পাশে আছি, যদি কোনো অসুবিধা হয় বলবেন। স্যার, इससे बड़ा क्या हो सकता है স্যার। এই কোভিড পিরিয়ডে কে কার খবর রাখে, কিন্তু আপনারা যে আমার মাইনরিটি শেয়ার হোল্ডার যে আমাদের খবর রেখেছেন, এর জন্য আপনাদের মানে I must give my hearty thanks to each and every employee of your company for their good gesture, good behavior and good hospitality also. Sir, I am very proud to be a shareholder of your company and I am very hopeful towards the prospect of our company. I have full trust with our strong management and so I wholeheartedly support your all resolutions which I have already casted through my e-voting. Sir, I am very happy with your company. Sir, nothing to say about today. There are so many meetings. Looking forward with a positive outlook towards our company with higher profit margin, handsome dividend and return. May God bless you, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Nandi. Mr. Jaidev Bakshi. Mr. Jaidev Bakshi.
I think Mr. Jaidev Bakshi is not attending.
Not attend.
Not attending the meeting.
Next speaker is Mr. Bharti Salam.
He's there.
Salam there.
Yeah, he's there.
Please unmute Mr. Bharati Saraf.
जी नमस्कार। 1 मिनट। सदस्यगण और मेरे शेयर भाइयों बहनों, मेरा नाम भारती सलाम में ज्वाइंट होल्डर संतोष कुमार सराफ बोल रहा हूँ सर। आशा करता हूँ आप सब स्वस्थ होंगे सर। सबसे पहले आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार सर। और सर, आपने अच्छा डिविडेंड दिया, इसके लिए धन्यवाद। और फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है इसके बारे में बताइएगा सर। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसी तरह कंपनी आगे बढ़े और अपनी उन्नति करते रहे। और आप जितने भी गग्गर साहब, आपको देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है। आप सीमेंट में देखा और फिर आज देख रहा हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और इसी तरह आप एक जवान लगते हैं सर, इसी तरह रहिएगा, चलाते रहिएगा, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। और मैं नहीं लूंगा, मैं यही कहूंगा, आप जितने भी डायरेक्टर, जितनी भी फैमिली है, जितने भी अधिकारी घर है, उनके अच्छे भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ, लंबी उम्र की कामना करता हूँ और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ, भगवान आप सबको लंबी उम्र दे और कंपनी को भी ना अच्छे भविष्य में रहे। और फाइनेंशियल 2021 आप सभी के लिए हेल्दी, वेल्दी, वेलनेस, प्रोस्पेरिटी और सेफ्टी साथ बीते हुए। जय हिंद, जय भारत। एक बार फिर से आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार।
Thank you, Saraji, for your all good wishes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mr. Kapil Chopra.
I think he is also not there.
He is not.
Mr. Sujan Modak.
He is there, Mr. Sujan Modak.
Modak, please take.
Please unmute Mr. Sujan Modak.
Yeah, hello, sir. Good morning, sir. You can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Respected chairman, other board of directors, and my fellow shareholders. Sir, I'm Sujan Modok. I'm connecting from my residence in Kolkata. Gagar ji, namaskar, sir. कैसे हैं आप?
Bye, I'm good. Thank you, Mr. Modak.
थैंक यू सर। सर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको देख के सर, क्योंकि फिजिकल में तो सर मिलते नहीं है, कम से कम यहाँ देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सच बताता हूँ सर, दिल भर गया। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। सर ये जो पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में हमारा कंपनी का रिजल्ट सर बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ सर। सर टोटल इनकम हैज गॉन अप सर, कैश प्रॉफिट हैज जंप्ड अप, प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स, प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स सब ऊपर गए सर। हमको डिविडेंड भी मिला है सर, और क्या चाहिए सर। हम बहुत ही मतलब खुश शेयर होल्डर है। आपका जो सर कंपनी में बहुत ही हम लोग अच्छे हैं सर। ये जो कंपनी का हमारा जो सर मैनेजमेंट अंडर योर अपना जो लीडरशिप में बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है। दिस इज अ वेरी एफिशिएंट एंड रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड मैनेजमेंट सर। मैं आपका जितना एजेंडा है सब मैं सपोर्ट किया है, सब वोटिंग भी कर दिए हैं। केवल मैं नहीं सर, हमारा फैमिली मेंबर्स भी कर दिए हैं, क्योंकि आपको सब लोगों को अच्छा लगता है इसीलिए कंपनी के, तो इसीलिए सब कर दिए हैं सर। सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर, थोड़ा रोड मैप बताइए अगले 2-3 साल के लिए हमारा कंपनी का रोड मैप क्या है, और गाइडेंस फॉर द इन्वेस्टर्स कम्युनिटी थोड़ा कष्ट करके बता दीजिए तो अच्छा रहेगा सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
Thank you, Sujan Babu. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Amit Kumar Banerjee.
He's there.
Please unmute Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee.
Mr. Banerjee, bolun.
Just now I got the switch unmuted. Hello.
bolun, শুনতে পাচ্ছি আমরা।
Good morning to everyone. My name is Amit Kumar Banerjee from Pit of Kolkata. Respected Chairman, other board members, thank you for getting me connected. An opportunity to speak such a wonderful meeting today organized by our company, Sumedha Fiscal Services Limited. Sir, may I visible?
Yeah, you're visible.
Okay.
Visible and audible both.
Thank you, sir. Performance is concerned, it is very nice performance. Good growth, strong financial presentation, total revenue as visible in the balance sheet under review about 20 crores of rupees, and an increase in comparison with the last year 18 crores. Net profit, definitely it is good, gone up to 8 crores, overcoming the net loss about 354.85 lakhs. EPS also up 10.43. It is positive, and in comparison last year it was negative 4.44. It is very appreciable. Our company's main business is launching in banking, loan syndication, financial restructuring. As regards the dividend is concerned, it is also good. It is found that 10% ₹1, it is also increased from the last year 6% to 10%. Sir, kindly share your view about capital expenditure plan for forthcoming next 2 years. Please throw some light, any positive message, suitable growth, including operation and expansion of business. I hope our company will grow up with this management and will present better result next year, keeping definitely in mind minority shareholders rewarding policy. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, to all present.
No battery.
Thank you, Mr. Banerjee.
Such
Thank you very
a
much.
wonderful conference.
Thank you. Mr. Manas Banerjee.
I believe he is not there.
So next speaker is Mr. Rishikesh Chopra.
He is also not there.
Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak.
He is there.
Mr. Pathak.
Please unmute. Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah,
You are
very much,
audible.
very much. very much.
Sir, how are you, sir? We are missing you, sir. Very missing you. And praying to God for your good health also, sir. Very good morning, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, Company Secretary, fellow members joining at 32nd AGM, Sumedha Fiscal Services Limited. My name is Ashit Kumar Pathak from Damdam. Many thanks to Company Secretary, Mrs. Dhavani Fatepuria, for sending me the notice of the AGM and handed me the hard copy. Last day I attended office and she handed over the hard copy. Very enhanced cooperation. And also thanks to Mr. Ashish Mukherjee for enhanced cooperations to members also. Sir, I have already casted for 3 resolutions mentioned in the notice. Sir, excellent delivery from respected chairman. Very important points I have noted already. And I have brief views which like to share. Excellent financial performance, financial year 21. PBT 10 crore, again 3 crores loss. PAT 9 crore, against 3 crore loss. Also successfully, my company managed the shareholder fund 44 crores and nicely debt reduction policy from 0.2 to 0.1. Also, promoters holding is very nice, near about 50%, and book value 58.77, market cap 22 crores. Very nicely managed company. It mentioned focus in investment banking income 7 crores than 12 crores previous year. It mentioned 44.97% declining. Sir, expected income end of financial year 22, where investment banking is the main thrust area for my company. And trading investment activities may be given concentration, though financial year 21 had given a huge pace in income, 826.36 lakhs, again previous year loss. Sir, subsidiary SFSL Commodity Trading recorded total revenue 17,83,528 and profit also 16,57,965 financial year 21. But mentioned discontinuing commodity trading activities on 1st April 2019. So some have highlights about the strategies apart this subsidiary, because trading already not ongoing. So throw some highlights and positive step taken associated company US Infotech. Not good positive financial performance where we have an investment there. For Bandshot Venture, positive steps taken, what it mentioned facing difficulties for business Eastern region India. Also, sir, page 103, present status of booking of 2 flats, total considerations 84 lakhs 50,000 and capital advance given 62 lakhs 56,000 towards booking of 2 flats for receiving positions abnormal delay. My company also filed the case RE Era Court at Mumbai. In page 88, throw some highlight about bad debt Sunday balance written off, which mentions 79 lakhs 71,290. Sir, in page 76, inventory is also 11 crore against 3 crores. So related investing in mutual funds and also equities. Sir, present status as on fair value, given this inventory. So if possible, throw some highlights. Nothing to say more. A management team is excellent and giving rewarding to members also with ₹1 dividend. I think this management teams will enhance pace in positive financial performance by the leadership of you. With blessing of God. Thanking you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Pathak. Thank you. Mr. Abhirup Nandi.
Is not attending the meeting.
Nandi.
Mr. Nandi is not attending the meeting.
Is Mr. Nandi there?
Over to the chairman.
He is not there.
Thank you. Thank you for all kind and complimentary words. I now request Mr. Bijay Murmuria to deal with the various questions which have been raised by the learned speakers. Bijay, will you take over?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Uncle. Good morning to all the shareholders and colleagues and co-directors on the panel. Most of the shareholders have given a thumbs up, which is an ongoing process to the company's effort in improving the performance. So it will be our endeavor to continue improving our efforts and thereby turning into a more and more positive financial results in the years to come. There has been certain queries which has been raised, which is more to do with what lies in future. Now, as you are aware that our company is a fee-oriented company, and basically we are into corporate advisory, loan syndication, restructuring, investment banking products. So we have tried to, while we have tried to contain our risk by closing down commodity trading, share broking, and other which has been going down over the years, we are trying to increase our penetration into investment banking through various products. Some of the new products, geographies which we have done is now we are also looking at certain assignments which are based out of Hong Kong, Singapore, Dubai, Muscat. Then we have added few products of SEBI. We have done some takeover code, buyback, rights issue as a facilitator. So the company, apart from the usual corporate advisory services, are providing value-added other corporate advisory services, which in the time to come would only increase, and thereby it would be adding to the current portfolio and thereby to the top line of the company. There are no major capex as such in planning, apart from the fact that the company is toying with an idea that how there are these ARCs, NPA Bank, AIF. So we are toying with the idea whether it is good time to enter that field, but no concrete decision has been taken so far. It is on the drawing board matter. Some of the questions which have been asked by Mr. Pathak particularly, I think is related to US Infotech, where we have largely a flat in Salt Lake. Then certain bad debts are in this COVID times are part and parcel of business rates, as some of the clients go to NCLT themselves or are not in a position to pay, and accordingly as a conservative company, rather than keeping it as debtors, we write it off from time to time so that the company's balance sheet remains clean and transparent. Brand shoots is something which we did with Times of India together, but this was a startup venture where we had 2 rounds of batches done, but it was not very successful, and we are looking at how to bring it to its logical conclusion. Though we are happy that few of the startups are doing well from the eastern region, which were mentored by us at some point of time. So in a nutshell, the company continues to grow in the very area where we are, but we are largely a fee-oriented company. We are not to the likes of a broking company like India Infoline or Motilal Oswal. We are more of a company who are into advisory. So that's why you see our top line and bottom line. Basic our raw material is salary and wages, that is professionals, and that is what we are adding to with more products, more I would say value addition required, and we are keeping ourselves up tuned to the current time, so that whenever a product is to be there to in line with the market requirements, we are there. So with these, I am thankful to all the shareholders to continue to repose faith in the company, and I would now hand over back to Mr. Gagat, Chairman. Over to you, Uncle.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you very much. The shareholders may now cast note that e-voting will end after 15 minutes from the conclusion of this meeting. Those shareholders who have not yet cast their vote yet are requested to do so. Further, I authorize our company secretary, Dhwani Bhattapuria, to declare the voting results and upload the results on the websites of the stock exchanges and publish on the company website within 48 hours from the end of this meeting. The resolutions for items under consideration as set forth in the notice shall be deemed to be passed today, subject to receipt of requisite number of votes. I must thank all the shareholders for participation, kind words, and also the suggestions made during their participation. And I must also thank board members and auditors for their participation. I now request the board members and auditors to log off from the meeting. And in the last, please stay well, keep well, and observe the protocol. Thank you all. I now hereby declare the proceedings of this AGM as closed. Thank you. बुलाना राशि है आज भी ऑफ है क्या? आज भी ऑफ है।